Crews responded to a call for a rescue. We had an individual who was working on a tram that went down from the lake to a residence. While working on the cables came undone. His leg was trapped inside the cables while the motor was running. He was able to phone 911, start the response. Crews arrived and were able to shut off the power and remove the subject from inside of the cables. Fortunately, we had boat 92 out on the lake. We were able to dispatch them. They had pretty quick response time. They were there within minutes and able to shut the power off before the cables became any tighter on the individual's legs. Injuries are non-life-threatening. He was transported to Arrowhead Regional via medical airship, and crews were on scene approximately 1 hour.